Hello, my friends. Welcome back to SpeakEasy English Talks. I'm Nick, and I'm really happy you are here with me today. In this episode, we are going to talk about something very important, something simple, something powerful. Today, I want to show you how 6 months can change your English. Yes, just 6 months. Maybe when you hear this, you feel excited, or maybe you feel doubtful. Maybe you think 6 months is too short. Maybe you say, I need years. Maybe you believe English is not for me. If you feel this way, it's okay. You're not weak. You are human. But today, I want to gently change the way you think. Not with pressure, not with fear, only with truth, kindness, and a clear path. Because 6 months is not magic. 6 months is consistency. 6 months is daily contact with English. 6 months is small steps every day. And small steps, when repeated daily, can change your life. Why 6 months is enough? Let me ask you something. What happens in 6 months? A baby learns to sit. A seed becomes a plant. A weak muscle becomes strong. Change does not need years. Change needs daily action. If you touch English every day, if you listen every day, if you speak every day, if you think in English every day, your brain will change. Not fast, not perfectly, but surely. English will stop feeling like a stranger. English will start feeling familiar, comfortable, natural. That is fluency. The biggest secret: daily routine. Many learners fail not because English is hard. They fail because they don't have a routine. They study one day, then stop for 1 week, then feel guilty, then stop again. This is not learning. This is stress. So today, I want to give you something simple: a daily routine, a routine for beginners, a routine you can follow even when you are tired. And the heart of this routine is shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is very simple. You listen, you repeat, you copy the sound, you don't translate, you don't analyze grammar. You don't stop every second. You listen to a sentence, then you say it out loud, immediately. Like a shadow follows a person. Shadowing trains your ears, your mouth, your confidence. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning. Children learn this way. You learned your first language this way. Shadowing is natural. Your morning. Start with English. Your day matters. How you start your day changes everything. When you wake up, your brain is fresh, open, ready. Instead of checking your phone in silence, do this. Play English. A short podcast. A slow video. Something easy. You don't need to sit and study. You can brush your teeth, make tea, prepare breakfast. English is in the background. Your ears are working. Your brain is waking up in English. This is powerful. Speak even when you are alone. Many people say, I have no one to practice with. That is not a problem. You have yourself. Talk to yourself in English. Say simple things. I'm making coffee. Today is a busy day. I feel tired, but I'm learning. These sentences look small, but they are training your mouth. Speaking is a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. Use it every day. Shadowing practice. Daily habit. Now comes the most important part. Shadowing. Choose one short audio. 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Listen once. Then listen again and repeat. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't stop. Keep going. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is flow, little by little. Your pronunciation improves. Your speed increases. Your confidence grows. After weeks, you will feel something change. Your mouth will move faster. Your sentences will feel smoother. Think in English 5 minutes a day. Thinking in English is a superpower. At first, it feels strange, hard, slow, but start small, 5 minutes. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing now? What will I eat today? How do I feel? Answer in English. Even broken English is okay. Your brain is learning to stay in English. One day, something magical happens. You think without translating. That is real progress. Mistakes are not enemies. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes mean you are trying, you are learning, you are growing. If you never make mistakes, you are not learning. Every fluent speaker you admire made thousands of mistakes. They survived. So will you. Smile at your mistakes. They are signs of progress. Your mindset is everything. Now let's talk about your mind. Many learners quit here, not because English is hard, but because their thoughts are heavy. They say, I'm too old. I'm not smart. I will never speak fluently. These thoughts are lies. Your brain can learn at any age. Your brain grows with use. Change your inner voice. Instead of, I can't, say, I'm learning. Instead of, I'm bad at English, say, I'm improving every day. Your words become your reality. Bad days are part of the journey. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. That's normal. Do not quit on bad days. On bad days, listen a little, speak a little. Do something small. Small actions keep the habit alive. Consistency is stronger than motivation. 6 months later. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You understand more, you speak faster, you feel confident. You are not perfect, but you are fluent enough. English is part of you. And you smile and think, I didn't quit. Your challenge starts today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Live with English, listen daily, shadow daily, speak daily, think daily. 6 months will pass anyway. Choose to grow. Thank you, my friends, for spending this time with me on SpeakEasy English Talks. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is real, and it starts now.